Right, I got a really small Walmart haul here. I think I'm hooked on this Limpton, Georgia peach tea. It is so good. It's better than Snapple peach. It really is. Thank you, Paisley, for recommending that. Paisley Bradley, it's her YouTube channel. Ginger ale. Then I got 2 of these Red Bulls, 3 of the Coke Zero Sugar Energy. And they did it right, and it looks like everything is good today. I went over and I said, no substitution on this item, certain items, you know, most of the items. And actually, it went through. Sometimes I've done that and they still substituted. I don't understand it. I got this sweet tea, positive energy. I like this. It's really good. It's tangerine. Sweet tangerine, not tea. Yeah, but it's really good. You heat it up. Drink it as a hot drink. It's really good. If you like hot herbal drinks, you should try that one. It's good. And you like citrus drinks. I got some pumpkin because I'm going to be making a pumpkin smoothie soon. And I got this for my cats. If you want to check their YouTube channel out, it's Remy, Lily, and Momma too. They've been on YouTube for 2 or 3 years. Well, no, 4 years I've had that channel. I bought this natural white and dark canned chicken because I'm gonna make them some more of the cat treats and probably make them some, well, the girl cat, I'm gonna make her some chicken and pumpkin and see if she likes it, because she's gotten to where she's picky. And my boy cat is picky, and I only know that he probably won't eat that. He is very picky. So if you want to check their channel out, I'll put it in the description. I take this B-complex supplement. It's in liquid. Chicken and dumplings. I like to have that for days I don't feel like cooking. Chunk like tuna for the cats. Bacon, yeah, I like that, toothpaste. It's only 98 cents. I needed some 9-volt batteries. This is all day pain relief, the naproxen. It's compared to Aleve. That helps me. I have fibromyalgia. When I'm in a lot of pain, I take that. Dry eye relief. I've had dry eyes since I was in my 30s. I'm 57 now. Magnesium I have to take because at one time I was magnesium deficient and the doctor said that was some of the cause of my migraines. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And if you want to see the homemade treats and food, then you have to check out their cat channel.